If you want to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, all you have to do is simply go to the app drawer. Next we can choose our Samsung folder, and then you should be able to find the voice recorder. Now in here, in order to start recording ourselves, we can just tap on this microphone button, the red one at the bottom of the screen, and now as you can see we can easily record ourselves. Of course we can also add bookmarks over here. Later on we can go back to them. And also we can pause at any point. We can also rewind and start recording again from a specific point. And also we can just completely stop the recording once you are done with it. We can set up the name. We can also add into a specific category, and of course tap save in order to save your voice recording. If you want to replay it, we can just simply select it from this list. And there we go. In the upper right corner, once you open the recording, we can find some additional options that you might want to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.